COCO LOCO.
You know what loco means in Spanish, right?
Yeah, crazy.
It's crazy, yeah.
You speak Spanish?
Yeah, this is not a normal coconut. Eh? COCO LOCO.
Yeah.
Tell us about this product that you're selling.
COCO LOCO. Right here is a coconut. We have a natural coconut.
Okay.
Non-alcoholic.
Okay.
Self-service on the rum. And I have flavors: pineapple, mango, strawberry, passion fruit. They all come with island spices, ice, garnish. No cup, no glass, no bottle, no cap. COCO LOCO.
COCO Loco.
True island experience. That's right.
Okay.
Just in the future. It's a state.
I have flavor for you.
And how much are they, you said?
They normally 10, 8. I think 7 now, but they normally 10.
Bargain.
That's a total bargain.
You get the coconut and the drink and the rum. And the hospitality. And the cherry.
There you go. Yeah, you want to be careful from side drinking. Be careful. And what flavor for you, sorry?
So what are the flavors that you have, you said?
Pineapple, mango, strawberry, passion fruit. The pineapple has a bit of cherry, bit of water.
Passion fruit, maracuja.
And for you, man?
Whatever you think is best.
So now you're making room for the rum.
Okay.
So now you drink some.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then some if you want some rum.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The more rum you make, the more rum you can take. COCO LOCO.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, that sounds like a fantastic deal.
Yeah, Johnny was saying he wanted to like get some on sale.
And I was just going to ask, she also if you love.
She wants a rum. I want a rum. I want it not loco.
Habla español.
Look, this is not a normal coconut. Eh? COCO LOCO.
Entiendo. ¿Hablas español? También. No. Poquito.
Hablo español mucho.
Mucho.
Mi madre, Barbados, padre Sint Maarten. We have a hermano live in America.
That's a brother. Hermano.
Mi hermano madre, Santo Domingo. Mi hermano habla español rápido.
Oh, naturalmente.
But now you're making room for the rum.
Okay.
More rum.
How many
Dude.
languages do you speak?
Me,
Yeah.
I speak.
Poquito español.
No.
We just heard
Even,
you.
oh, yeah, but come on.
English.
And then, ok, je parle le français.
French.
Non.
Il y a beaucoup de gens dans cette ville.
Hey, like.
Oh, wow. That is a stiff
I wanted
one.
to make a little more room.
Don't worry, she's still here.
Your turn. That's your drink.
You want drinking?
No, I'm getting a not local.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That'll take time.
Okay, and then we have one more loco. But let's do the non-loco first.
It's just this part here.
It's so windy.
Mango, my favorite. But the pineapple, the most popular one. Mango, my favorite.
I don't know what I got, but I said to him, whatever you think is best.
Well, this one you got is the pineapple and a bit of mango also.
All right, good to know.
Loco. Yeah, it's part of Philipsburg.
It's absolutely delicious. Anybody who wants to come here and buy it from a man here, I highly recommend it.
COCO LOCO.
COCO LOCO it's called, and it's got other flavors as well.
Pineapple, mango, strawberry, passion fruit, island spices, self-service rum.
No, you're just fine.
So you were saying that you were on a cruise?
Yeah.
And,
Music cruise.
music cruise. 20 bands you said?
I don't even know. 31. 30 pound band. 31!